Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chikondotto and today I'll be sharing with you another haul video of Amazon kurta set, and all of the kurta set will be under 600 and one set is under 800. So it will be a super affordable haul. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into the video. This salwar suit is from Ani Designer and I paid 599 rupees for this salwar suit, and there are 8 different colors to choose from and I chose this tomato red color. The material of kurta and palazzo is rayon and it has handblock print all over the kurta. This kurta has jari work piping at the hand and at the border of the kurta. The material is so soft. It has 3/4 sleeves. And this dupatta, it looks so classy. Color of the dupatta is beige and it has digital flower print all over the dupatta and the same hand block print at the back also. This salwar suit is perfect for any day function or any casual function. And I wear all the kurta set in this haul is of large size. I will provide the link of all the kurta set in my description box below in case if you want to buy this product. Please do check my description box for all the details. This kurta set is from the brand Evozana and I paid 799 rupees for this kurta set, and I think this product is quite overpriced. It will be better if the price will be less than 500, and the color of the kurta set is dark navy blue. It's a very plain kurta set with full sleeves and round neck, but it looks so classy for this dupatta. The pattern of the pant is of cigarette style and the material of kurta and the pant is rayon. So it's very much comfortable to wear it. It's perfect for any day outing or any casual wear or any office wear. And this dupatta has golden border all over it. This kurta set is from the brand Go Sriki and I paid 599 rupees for this kurta set. This kurta set has no dupatta and it has 3/4 sleeves and it can be opened from the front and it has hook in it. Gold foil print work all over the kurta and at the pant. I don't know it will stay after wash or not, and if you guys want after wash review then do comment in the comment section. I will do after wash review for you. The material of the kurta is 100% cotton and it has beige piping at the hand. The pattern of the pant is palazzo. It's a kurta palazzo set. This kurta set is perfect for any small function or morning function. This kurta set is also from the same brand Go Sriki and I paid 599 rupees for this kurta set, and this kurta set has no dupatta. It has maroon piping at the hand and at the neck, and this kurta has round neck, glass sleeves, and the material is 100% cotton. The style of the kurta is of anarkali form and the pant is palazzo. It's a anarkali kurta palazzo set. The color of the kurta set is teal blue and it has maroon flower work all over the kurta and at the pant also. This kurta set is perfect for any office wear, college wear or regular wear or any kind of day outing with friends. This set is from the brand Ashwati and I paid 599 rupees for this set. This set has no pant or dupatta, it has only the white shrug. It can be tied up from the waist to give a proper look or it can be wear as it is. It's a kind of ethnic dress and the material is rayon. It's too much comfortable to wear it at day or night. It's perfect for any day outing with friends, or it's perfect for any college wear also. This dress has polka dot at front and the block print from waist to end, and this shrug has blue polka dot all over it. I just love this dress, and if you guys have any query then do comment me in the comment section. I will try to reply each and every question of yours. Recently I did Ajio top haul and the link will be in my description box below. Please do check my description box for that Ajio top haul. And that's all for today, and if you guys found this video helpful then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, do it now, and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram ID. I will provide the details of all my internet handles in my description box below. Please do check that out, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tada!